This is what I was telling you about, how it idles rough. You can even hear it. See, there it goes. Not on the gas pedal or anything. There goes the light. And it just sits here, and it does this. And I know you told me it's normal for it to, like, it's gonna die. Like, my foot's not on the gas pedal or anything. And you can see the lights shimmering inside the car. You know, like, I know this is not normal. I know you told me it's normal, but, like, see, look, almost died again. Like, this is not normal. Like, I know it's cold outside, but it's only like minus 10. 10.5. So, I'll move my foot away. I know you said this is normal. This is not normal.